The local music fraternity has been plunged into mourning following the passing of Robbie Shakespeare from the duo Sly and Robbie. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So, the local music fraternity is once again mourning the loss of a great music pioneer within our local music space. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to also express our sincere condolences to the family and friends. Our reggae music has been a dominant figure not only locally but on the international scene, and to see that we have lost one of the members that contributed so much to our development of our music is very sad. So the music fraternity is mourning the loss of another of its legend, Robbie Shakespeare, best known as the half of the production duo and reggae rhythm section Sly and Robbie. He passed away on Wednesday. He reportedly passed away in hospital in Florida following a kidney surgery. He was aged 68 years old and had been ailing for some time. So as reported earlier, he was not well, and a number of people have took to social media just in order to express condolences to his family and friends. And one of those individuals were the entertainment minister, and that is the Minister of Entertainment, Olivia Babsy Grange, was one of the first to acknowledge the work of a man called her brother. She described him. I am in shock and sorrow after receiving the news that my friend and brother, the legendary bassist Robbie Shakespeare, has passed away, the minister said in a post on her social media platform. Robbie and Sly Dunbar, the drummer as Sly and Robbie, have been among Jamaica's greatest musicians. The fantastic team took bass playing and drumming to the highest level as they made music and not only local artists but also on the international scene, Grain said in her post. She said that the loss of this individual will be a huge blow to the local and also the international music fraternity. Bobby's loss will be felt severely both home and abroad. My condolences to those he left behind. Love you, Robbie, she concluded. Known affectionately by some as Shakespeare, he was widely regarded as one of the most influential reggae bassists of all time and was known for his iconalistic and creative use of the electronics and production effects unit. Robbie Shakespeare worked with a lot of local and international superstars such as Bonnie Whaler, Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaac, Sugar Minott, Black Hero, among others. He has also worked with international acts such as Cyndi Lauper. Prior to his involvement in Sly and Robbie, he was a member of the Sessions group, the Revelationaries, and also the Aggravators. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends. And a number of individuals have also took to social media just to express sadness at the passing of such a great music pioneer, and those include the Prime Minister of Jamaica as well. He took to his social media platform in order to express condolences to the family and friends of this great music pioneer as well. So the Prime Minister made a post on his social media platform, and this was what he had to say. My condolences to the family, friends, and fans of Jamaican reggae musician and record producer Robbie Shakespeare of Sly and Robbie fame. The legendary bassist Robbie Shakespeare played a significant role in the recording and production album of various artists including Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Bunny Wailer, U. Roy, Culture, Burning Spear, among many other big names. When it comes to reggae bass playing, no one comes close to having the influence of Bobby Shakespeare. He will be remembered for his sterling contribution to the music industry and Jamaica's culture. May his soul rest in peace, the Prime Minister wrote with a picture on his social media platform. Also taking the time to express sadness at the passing of this individual is recording superstar Maxi Priest as well took to his social media platform just in order to send condolences to the family and friends. And I know that this will be a tremendous loss to the Jamaican music fraternity, as this individual would have worked with a number of recording superstars, and this individual would have been a very instrumental person in the development of many of these singers' musical career from inception. And I can tell you that the music fraternity right now is in total awe based on this news that the man himself, one of the greatest bassists of all time, Robbie Shakespeare, will no longer be with us to produce some wonderful tracks. And it's a significant loss to the local music fraternity, and not only on the local scene, but also on the international scene. It's a major blow as well, as he would have worked with a number of international superstars throughout his illustrious music career, and I can tell you he will be sadly missed by the Jamaican public. And he would have worked with many international acts as well, as I said before, and some real big names in the local music space, such as Bob Marley, Bonnie Wailer, U. Roy, Culture, Peter Touch. Those are some real big names in our local music space. And to see that this individual had been ailing for some time, and he passed away of after doing a surgery, which many believe that he would have pulled through, and that is where the real shock really set in. Many know that he was ailing, and it's a real sad moment right now for the local and international music fraternity, as many remembered him as one of the greatest bassists of all time, and a person that was always willing to help with the development of the local music and bring it on the international scene. And I can tell you that this loss will be immensely felt right across the world. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express once more our condolences to the family and friends, even though words cannot even begin to fill the gap that this void will be left behind in the local music space. And a number of artists right now, including those who have worked with him and those who have just been around him during his career, is feeling the pain that we have lost a great man of our music. And I can just say right now that this individual can never be replaced. He was one of the greatest bassists that we have ever seen, and he would have worked with so many big names in his musical career. And it's very sad to see what happened. But all I can say is that we just wish his family the best, and also the other members of the group itself. We just wish them all the best in their musical endeavors, and we hope that they do find the strength to just continue with their work, even though it's gonna be a hard task to move on, knowing that the individual that would have worked with you throughout so many years has passed away. But we just want to say condolences once more to the family and friends. So this is where we're going to leave this report here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.